So Justin came to check out his car, and he's got a little surprise for Brent. Didn't even realize it was his birthday. Write it on back there, surprise him.
All right.
Brent. Where you at, old man? Birthday present here, buddy.
No way, dude. Bro, no way.
Yes, sir.
Dude, I'm floored right now. Holy crap.
You need something to ride around with the fits, man.
Dude, I got goosebumps right now.
That's why I had to ask you what your color was. It was a purple one or the teal one.
Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. This is sick. This is beyond sick. Holy crap, bro. That's crazy.
All right, so we're just finishing up Justin's car. We had some fuel stuff we had to work out, but this baby is running. Manual pump, stock tank. I'm digging the setup. Sweet. All right, we got Justin Stewart's hot rod on the dyno. I got the cage all done, the tiers all wrapped up. We got a wide band in the ECU, and we're ready to rip this thing. Really turned out nice. Now we gotta see if we can make some power. So, Jamie's loving the fuel pressure right now. I love it too, though. We got enough fuel because we can always take something really far. So let's make an initial pull and make sure everything's okay. I turned the boost down a little bit just to give us just so we understand what's going on. All right, let's go.
Throttle cable tongue. It actually wasn't really that hung. I see it. We gotta cut the rubber off.
So it'll come back up.
How much boost was that?
24 pounds or something.
That was actually a really beautiful pull. It made 647.
That was 647.
Just the all light.
No, I wasn't even thought about looking at it. I was like, let me go click and look.
That's awesome. And I cut a little early because I just.
It was still climbing.
Yeah, it was still
How many
climbing.
pounds was it? 22?
Let me see. Hold on. Let me make sure. But that power is really good. So.
Yeah, that probably doesn't happen much. But Brent.
Yeah, and that was only 80% throttle.
Yeah. It's on the pedal.
That's.
Grab it with your foot. Pull. Now push it. Recal it.
So it wasn't even full throttle either.
Cable wasn't pulling it all the way, so basically, if you ever push the
All
throttle,
right, let's recal the TPS as well.
the
cable bracket. It's kind of long, so it gives a little flex to it. Hey, if it hangs up again, just get to the clutch and kill it.
That's what I did last time, just felt weird.
Yeah.
No, those tires are right. Those tires are bubbly. No, the wheel looks good. They're just balloons. Clutch is hanging. It's not the throttle hanging, the clutch is sticking. I won't let go of it.
What a monster! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let me tell you.
760. $760.
My temp ran up too as soon as I shut down.
Did that put something in there, buddy? His temper ran up the second he shut it down. No.
I mean, it's...
No, it put like nothing in it.
Yeah. It blew this rag out low.
Yeah, there is some pressure
I'm
there.
saying 220, yeah. Right
There's
now.
some pressure there, but it's not putting fluid there.
I think the gasket's gonna... I think it's gonna need a gasket. That gasket?
Yeah, it's breathing pretty good too.
I think it just needs a freshie. It's probably been...
It's not like blown, but it's starting to seep.
Yeah, it's probably been years since it's had anything.
How much boost was that?
29. 29 was the high.
So 29,
And
yeah.
and it fell to 26. So it came up, peaked 29, and just kind of the boost rode down to 26.
What exhaust housing is this? Yeah, 84. 84, so bigger AR would help that.
Damn, she's a beast. Like I could feel, I still was shaking a little bit in the car because it was
These are those bias plies.
trucking.
Brent.
What an animal.
146.
146 there.
That's like GSR gears.
All right, after the tug, we noticed we got a clutch disc, we think, hanging up. As it's cooled down, it's not hanging up no more.
Well, it still hangs up. Not as
Not as bad.
spot where we. But here, watch this. Watch the tire. It's in neutral right now. See, it starts driving the car, and that's a 3,000-pound roller.
Yeah.
Like this is a 3,000-pound load.
Yep. So we got a disc that's hung up. Dang it. It was all looking so good, dude. Urgh. Well, a couple little things. Probably service the clutch, and then this one will be sorted out. Loading her up, taking her home. So that session didn't go exactly the way we wanted to. We wanted to try to get some stuff dialed in, but you know, with the trans and clutch hanging up like it is, that's just not gonna work. So Justin's gonna take that beast home, get in there, find the little bugs, and he'll be back. Hopefully we can see him for PSCA or IFO.
lutpon strangle.
Gordita?
What up? How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
We missed
Happy
you.
birthday.
Thank you. We're gonna do an ECU real quick.
Yeah. Boost kit.
Boost kit for Matthew McCreary.
Yeah.
McCreary Ripper.
This is a cool setup. I've never seen one like this. It's got
Yeah, I like how you did
grommet
that,
and this
right?
plug.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's neat.
I've missed you.
Oh yeah.
That's why I'm recording you.
you.
We did Sick Week without you, and just, you know, it was great, but we sure missed you.
I
Wasn't
wish I
as
could've
cold
been
this
there,
year
but
either.
It wasn't as cold?
No, it was actually warm. Nice.
There you go.
All right, Gordo will now pull the socket from the... I don't know what you're doing, dog.
No, I need to take the back off now,
All right, Gordo will now take the back of the case off.
if I can. These
You
screws.
almost didn't get that. You almost got screwed.
Yeah, almost. It's a little stripped.
This one might screw you.
Yeah.
I hope not.
There you go.
Got him.
Got it. But it is a little stripped out. Ta-da.
The back of the board.
Yes. So shiny.
So shiny.
It reminds me of like Star Wars or something.
Right? Drill.
It's not a drill.
It's a solder gun.
Sucker.
Oh, that's the solder sucker.
Sucker. Yeah, that's what I call it.
All right. So now you're gonna suck the solder.
Solder sucker.
Solder sucker. Solder sucker. How was work today?
It was good.
Did you fix anything?
Oh yeah. Some
feel
phones, worked on an old Wii. No, actually, I could not figure out what was wrong with it.
You couldn't fix the Wii?
No.
Well, the TV at the shop went bad too. I don't know if you fixed that.
The new one? Oh, or the old one?
The one that hangs up. I don't
Yeah.
know.
The one that was above the well, because okay, I guess it's the same one, but because I fixed that one already once. I already replaced the motherboard in it once because the other one lit on fire. Well, I made it like
Probably
fire,
dyno
but
in your car.
maybe. No, it just died, and then I tried to fix it, and it lit on fire. I wish I was filming it, but I wasn't.
It's okay.
But now I got all the holes drilled out.
Yeah, got the holes drilled.
And now I got to put
I got
these in.
dyslexia. You already know.
Yep. Right here, you can kind of see this one, like where all these wires are. That's this little guy right here. Don't remember exactly what it's called, but and then I put in these over here, these two resistors, and this like chip kind of unit. Forgot what it's called too. So they're all kind of just flipped over so they don't fall out. Then I'm gonna solder them, and you're good to go.
All right, Gordo.
All right, now we gotta solder all these holes up.
Soldering and easy with Gordo.
Yeah.
On my birthday. This is the part you like.
Yeah.
You're good at it.
When it'll melt, yeah. Come on, melt. There we go.
I need glasses.
Yeah. Can you not see what's going on?
I can. I just zoomed. You don't need cold solders in there.
No. That's why it's on there for so long.
But you don't want to burn your tracers either.
Nope. Takes a perfect amount of time.
Old Matthew McCreary's going to be pretty happy about this.
Hopefully.
MRE Motorsports. Always got it going on. Look at that. That is a good solder job.
Thank you.
That almost looks stock. Don't go
Almost.
putting that solder in the other piece.
I'm not.
All right.
I'm just heating
Just
them back
dabbing.
up, making sure that they all flow smooth.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I like how you run back through those. That's smart.
Oh, yeah. Gotta get these ones too.
Your hand is blocking. I can't see nothing. Oh, there you go.
I couldn't even get a good angle on the tip
Yeah.
anyway. Wasn't melting. There we go. Boom.
Boom.
I just gotta clip the tips. It's good to go. Touch
Can't
anything else or touch
Yeah.
the lid. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd suck, huh? Cook things before they
There we
happen.
go. I could trim them down a little more if my my cutters weren't broken, but that's good enough.
Awesome. It better be good enough.
Oh yeah. All the boost now.
All the boost.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun dun dun.
Remember you'd zoom into my face.
Look at that.